Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be making some jelly polishes. I seen Moon Baby Nails do it and I figured, well, I can do that. So I went through my polishes, grabbed out a few that I would like to make into jellies. I went and bought me some, at the Dollar Tree, I went and bought some Sinful Colors base coat, top coat. These are the three that I have made so far. Pink, blue, and then like the lime green, which I really love this color. So these turned out really, really well. Here's my lime green one. I don't have my swatches of these two. I'm not too sure where I put them. So, sorry I don't have those to show you. But the polishes that I did use... For my green, I used my LA Color Fast. And this is an Energy. For the pink, I used my Sinful... Oh boy. Pink Forever, 313. For the blue, I used my Broadway Nails. Whoops. The color is Jessica. So those turned out really cool, and I'm going to show you how I did those. Got these. Just going to take the caps off of them. I'm not pouring anything out of them because all you're doing is adding drops of your opaque nail polish. You don't want to get something or use something that's transparent, because this is going to be transparent. So here what we're going to do is, I'm going to do this the best that I can on camera. It's easier to do it off. But we are going to drop, I don't know, probably about 8, if I can get them. 8 drops of polish in here, and then I'm going to shake the living you-know-what out of it. I don't have a shaker. So this is going to be all manual, and when I do shake, I'm going to pause the camera because you don't need to hear me. You're not going to see anything. I've lost track of how many drops I've put in here. So, I'm going to put these ones in here. And I'm going to shake. So I will be right back. Hello, this is Cherie. We are back. Yesterday when I was filming this video, sorry for the bubble. Again, always. My camera cut out on me. I ran out of space. We were filming, making jelly polishes. We were working on these two right here. I did finish this off camera. I was using Amazon Woman 2458 by Sinful. It is a neon limited edition. Ouch. Here's my swatch. Whoops. Ended up coming out really well. So that was cool for that one. Today we are going to do red and orange. Finish up my little series here of my jellies. Once again, I have got a clear top coat, base coat by LA Colors. Ouch. Gonna wipe the brush off of this really well. Sit it off to the side. And make way for a new color. I am going to do the red. So what I'm going to use is by Broadway Nails. The name has been rubbed off. I've used this so much. I want to say it was called Red Hot Chili Pepper. That's my memory. I could be wrong. I'm going to put about 8 drops in here. And see how it goes. If it comes off the brush. Oh, I've already lost track already. I think this makes 4. So yeah, we're going to try this out and see how it goes. I'm going to stop right there, shake this up real good. I know it's not 8 drops yet, but I am going to check into where I can find the silver balls at to put in this. It'll make the mixing a heck of a lot easier on me and my arm. And this is what we've got so far. I'm going to use one of my swatches, my forms that I have on a stand. And see how it looks. Oh yeah. We have got a red jelly. Whoops. I don't know if you can see the tint. I hope you can, but it is there. I'm going to set this off to the side, let it dry. Come back in for another coat. I do have a plan for a red jelly. That will be another video. I like how this one looks so far. I like it. Whoops. Me and my noise. Sorry about that. Next we are going to do an orange. For the orange, I am using LA Colors Color Last in the color of Faith. This is real easy and super to do, like I said in the first part of the video. I seen Moon Baby Nails do this. She used Wet n Wild and Kiss nail polish, I believe it was. So we'll see how this works. I'm excited about it. 'Cause like I said, I have plans for the red. The red, we're going to make a jelly sandwich. But like I said, that is a different video. I'm not going to do it in this one. I am mixing the orange and shake, 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 shake. The red and the orange look, oh boy. Look identical almost. So I'm going to have to mark on here which is which. So this has got the little thing here. I'm going to put an O on it for orange. Ooh, and here I'm just going to put it, whoops, there we go, the bobbling of the camera again. So I'm going to move this, I'm going to put a big R on there for the red. So I definitely want to be able to tell the colors. Let me get my form swatch here that I've been using. I got like 300 of these, so I might as well use them up. Yeah, this does look red to me, but it is orange. And you can see some tint there, but like we're going to set this one off to the side too. I think we have the right number of drops in, but we'll see how it goes after a second coat. Got the edge of your nail like it was real. There you go. It's not quite as dark as I had hoped. I think I'm going to add another drop or two in of the red. So I do want this just a tad bit darker. There we go for the red. I'm really happy with the way everything has turned out so far. If you've ever done this or you have an opinion on this, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Like I said, if you've done this, I'd really like to hear from you. Let me know how it went for you. What brand you used, how it went, the whole shebang. So yeah. I'm going to go back with the orange, put another coat on it. Let me see if you can tell it a difference. Kind of, a little bit. But I'm happy with the way that they're turning out. It's easier than what I thought. I forgot to turn the TV down. So I don't know if you can hear my news that's on behind me. Let me do that now. So there we go. That is 2 coats of the orange jelly. So what do we think? Did I do good, people? I think I did good. I think I did alright. Should we leave the red there? Oh, that's orange. Bring the red back in. Whoops. I think this is the orange. I'm going to put those there. Bring my other little swatches down so I can line them all up together. Here's my blue with the jelly sandwich. I think that turned out really cute. Here's my favorite though. This is what started it for me, was wanting to make this color here, the lime green. The only one I'm missing a swatch of is the pink. That I don't have. So we've got red, orange, purple, blue, and lime green. I also did make a pink. I just don't have the swatch for it. So that turned out really cool, I think. You can make, your own jellies, your own jelly sandwiches. Like I said, that's another video. So here we go. This is it for today. Hope you liked. Leave me a comment down below. Give me your opinions. Any requests you have, please leave those on the description, not the description, in the comment section below on any video, and I will do my best to carry out that wish. But this is the end of this one. Have yourselves a blessed day. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click the bell so you get notified of all the videos that I do that get put up, go live. Like I says, always have a blessed day. Thank you.